If your wife they cook, you not thief turkey, you say you not the man.
Oh yeah. See, after you don't eat and finish it, I'll serve you with ordinary rice.
Forget about the rice. It's well spiced. Yummy. See my wife,
What's that?
My wife, they make every day in this house like Christmas.
Wait.
Hi, pretty lady. What are you preparing today?
I'm making jollof rice.
Okay, so what is this for?
For pepper turkey.
Pepper turkey. Pronounce it well, please. You're in the UK.
I'm trying to make some pepper turkey.
Turkey.
Oh, turkey.
So, guys, you see, I'm very excited. Most people keep asking, Mr. Benny, why are you excited?
Now, because you see, I cook pepper.
Because my wife keep giving me delicacy upon delicacy.
Story
You see,
that touches the
look at the turkey, well fried, garnished. She spiced it overnight yesterday for this morning, so it's going to be the best of the best.
It's because of you now. Because
Baby, I just want to tell you that you are the sweetest thing in my life.
you are the sweetest thing.
In fact, I want to sing for you.
For just because of food only, Abi?
No, not because of food, because of the good things they do from day one till now. Not because of food. You do that kind of things now.
Because of they make your faith fry, jollof rice, talk truth, make them bullshit.
No, what is their dog self? You go and they hype my wife in the back. And you the dog, you better inside our house. They backing too much. So let me sing for my wife. You are my African wife.
Sorry.
My wife of my wife. When you wait first, but what's it going to start that pot and the rice not begin?
No, I'm
So guys, you see, this is the process. My wife is frying onions. The essence of frying onions is so that the rice can have a taste of vacuum.
What's the taste of what?
So that the vacuum of the rice can have a delicacy.
This is parboiled tomato.
Yes, parboiled tomatoes. That's what it's doing. You can hear the zzz. Look at the turkey. Ooh, it's turkeyable. So only this sauce is for what?
Turkey sauce.
Turkey sauce, okay?
Undiluted, though, no water.
Undiluted, no water, yeah. My wife said no water at all, no water.
Okay.
Oh, wow. First we married wife with the cool. She has gone to her freezer. Okay.
Which kind of thing we didn't have? Come over here.
Yeah, now so it be now. Now so it be. I'm happy.
This is Ataro the pepper from Wosi.
Yes.
Wosi.
Wusi. So, guys, if you're in the UK, you want to order African food, don't stress yourself. Are you not tired of jumping out and in?
Just buy bulk. Put it
Buy
inside
bulk.
the fridge.
Put it in the freezer.
This has been in my freezer for like 3 months now, and it's still looking fresh.
Looking fresher and freshable. Wusi deliver worldwide. Sharp.
Not worldwide. The city.
Now worldwide,
city.
they are even going worldwide now. They are going worldwide.
Yeah,
So
very
why are you delaying? You see, my wife is enjoying. She just make one phone call, and the other is here. Wifey.
Yes, sir.
So wifey, what's the essence of cutting this? Is it
I'm
pepper?
removing the seed because of you.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, I want
But you know, you can't invest for camera.
I
Saying because
invest.
of me now. You will still
Because you know
say,
it's
I'm
pepper.
trying to make my husband happy. That's why I'm removing the
Okay.
seed.
I'm trying to because my husband do not like pepper.
You're the
But
smile.
I
Everything in
want-
packaging.
The smile.
People can say it's good.
Okay.
That's it.
But I want that Ataro spicy inside.
Spice,
but
okay.
I don't want it to be too hot.
Too
so
hot.
I'm removing the inside.
Okay. Are you sure your sauce is not burning? Can I help you turn it, please?
No worry, I will do it myself.
I can do it for you, my dear wife. Let's see what it's going to be like now. Oh, it's coming. So what are we having? Jollof rice or stew?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
Yes.
Okay, my
Because
dear
I know
wife.
it's your favorite.
Yes, my favorite. Huh? Wifey.
So why are you not doing me today?
Only I'm not going to eat it. Why are you going to say me eat bread first? No, I'm waiting.
It doesn't matter, you
I have to
know
wait.
breakfast.
I'm fasting. In fact, I'm fasting.
Nobody at your belly they dance at that school.
No, I have to wait. I'm waiting. I'm not hungry at all.
Okay.
I'll wait for this. Yes. Wifey.
Let me
So what do you want from me now?
Nothing.
Just tell me anything you want. I'm ready to give it to you now. Sharp.
Really?
Sharp.
Really?
Yes.
One go straight.
Bone strength. All the hair we get, don't want to finish. See where your eye go. All the hair wave back when you do recent ones when you break on. How many you don't wear? Wear those ones first. Women are hair.
I don't have one hair for two. Like I don't have one pattern of hair in two now. So I have them one.
The only now because they do that, but in Nigeria for don't throw your load go one room.
Why?
Because your tea is too much. You can wear with the man this small room. Hey, this one, that one, everything. Okay, more not quarrel for this video. More go back to love.
Okay.
Yeah, so yes, my wife is blending.
I'm trying to
blend.
blend it.
Rough blend.
Chop it. It's
Oh.
called chopping.
It's called choppable.
Yeah.
Yeah, choppable. Yeah, choppable.
Don't
Yeah.
go on fire.
Yes, my wife is choppable. Let's go back to the stew. Okay. Oh, what's that small one you're doing there? Okay, I'm gonna leave you now so you concentrate on your food. Okay, let me not distract you.
Don't distract me.
Okay, just say something to my camera before I go, please.
I love you guys so much.
My wife loves you guys. Okay, bye guys. See you.
You guys are amazing.
Yes.